Should you choose a 2-ohm or a 4-ohm subwoofer? It might sound a bit technical, but understanding the difference can make a big impact on your sound system's performance. So first, the term you'll hear is ohms, which refers to the electrical resistance of the subwoofer. Think of it like this: it's how much the subwoofer resists the flow of electrical power coming from your amplifier. So, a 2-ohm subwoofer has lower electrical resistance compared to a 4-ohm subwoofer. And crucially, this difference affects amplifier compatibility. A 2-ohm subwoofer requires an amplifier that is specifically designed and is stable to operate at a 2-ohm load. Not all amplifiers can handle this lower resistance. Trying to power a 2-ohm subwoofer with an incompatible amplifier can lead to overheating and damage. On the other hand, 4-ohm subwoofers are compatible with a much wider range of amplifiers, as most are built to handle a 4-ohm load. Third, the impedance directly impacts power output. A 2-ohm subwoofer can draw more power from a compatible amplifier than a 4-ohm subwoofer connected to the same amplifier. This is because the lower resistance allows more electrical current to flow. Conversely, a 4-ohm subwoofer will receive less power from the same amplifier. Fourth, this difference in power often translates to a difference in loudness potential. Because it can draw more power, a 2-ohm subwoofer has the potential to produce a louder bass response compared to a 4-ohm subwoofer when powered by a suitable amplifier. Finally, the lower resistance of a 2-ohm subwoofer can cause a compatible amplifier to work harder, leading to increased heat generation. While a 2-ohm stable amplifier is built for this, proper cooling is essential. A 4-ohm subwoofer puts less stress on the amplifier, resulting in less heat. So which one should you choose? If you're aiming for the absolute loudest bass possible and have an amplifier specifically designed to handle a 2-ohm load, then get a 2-ohm subwoofer. However, if you prioritize broader amplifier compatibility, potentially better sound quality at high volumes, and less stress on your amplifier, then get a 4-ohm subwoofer.